Howdy there, stranger. Don't think I've seen you around here before. What's your name, kid? It's a fine name. First time I'm hearing of it. It's a fine name, nonetheless. Well, what brings you here to the Adventurers Guild? You looking for a party of adventurers to do a job for you or something? Oh, you are an adventurer. Judging from your name tag, I'd say you just started. Am I wrong? Fresh recruit, huh? Good. This place needs new blood. Well, welcome to the guild, and welcome to the town. How long you been here? Just blew in this morning, huh? Done anything exciting yet? Not yet, huh? Well, you want to start early. Trust me. You want to get your feet wet. You want to get started on getting those jobs. Make a name for yourself. That's how it always starts. You want to make a name for yourself. And you want to do it early. That way, you get a little bit of a reputation going, and higher jobs start coming to you early. Oh, where are my manners? My apologies. I haven't even introduced myself yet. Name's Flint. Flint Blazebeard. I'm this here guild's blacksmith. Anything you need. Shield, armor, sword, axe, anything. I can make it. If you got the coin, of course. It's good that that new blood like you are still coming in. Most of these adventurers are starting to get on. Well, let's just say this guild's been here a while. Oh yeah, this guild's old. Trust me. I remember when we first started this guild. Am I an adventurer? I used to be. My youth. How long ago was that? Oh, long before you were born. Hell, long before your grandparents were born, I reckon. Oh yeah. I go way back. I saw most of these young ones coming to this guild. Most of them started right exactly where you are right now. No, not sitting here. No. I mean, they started out young. They started out with practically nothing to their name. No titles, no nothing. Just like you. But look at them. They all made names for themselves now. They're all high-level adventurers. This guild's got a reputation, you see. We get the job done. We get it done every time. And we get it done or we die trying. Preferably, we get it done and we get paid. And this guild's also got the reputation of every single one of us in here is one of the toughest bitches in this part of the country. I think you can live up to that reputation. Good to hear. Alright, now. Anybody offer you to join their party yet? No? Have you gone over to any of them and asked to join their party yet? No. What the hell are you waiting for? Listen. Some of the best advice I can give you is learn from the experienced ones. Go on an adventure or two with some of these ones here. Yeah, you're all about experience. And when you just starting out, it'd be very dangerous for you to try anything on your own. I don't care how tough you think you are. Nobody goes alone and lives for very long. Trust me. Best advice I can give you, go on a couple of adventures with some of the older ones, some of the more experienced ones. You'll still have to do your part to keep yourself safe and keep them safe, watch their backs as well, but it'll be a bit more safe for you to do it. Get your feet wet, but do it in a comfortable way that you're not gonna get killed on the very first encounter. You wanna try and do your best, but also watch them and learn from them. Trust me, there's some good ones right here. You ask them, they'll take you along. Hell, you give them my name. Remember, Flint Blazebeard. You give them my name, and it'll help you. What? Me going it? Oh, sorry. I'm a bit too old. And, well, the lady of the guild told me I can't leave because I'm too valuable an asset to the guild. Bunch of bullshit. Whatever. Video I recommend. Let me see here. Well, how about those two there? Those two over there. That dwarf and that big Goliath fella over there. Well, let me tell you something about them. That's Rubeus Mogruff, or Dwarf, and the big fella's Gunnar Bonefist. Gunnar, well, what do you need to know about them? First thing you need to know is they're reliable. They're absolutely insane, but they're reliable, especially in a fight. They're damn good in a fight, which is something you would want in a party. Make sure you find people who can take care of themselves in a fight and watch your back and take care of you in a fight. Rubeus Mogruff there, he's a paladin. Yes, he is wearing a boar hide. That covers his armor. There's a story behind it. He calls himself the Swine Knight. You heard right, the Swine Knight. He hails from a mountain called Boar Mountain. His people live under there. And there's a great big hog that won't leave those mountains. His people will see it as some kind of deity. They say it protects the mountain and its people. One day when Rubeus was young, very young, he was wandering through that the forest at the roots of the mountain, and a pack of wolves came across him. The wolves attacked him, but in all seemed lost. The great boar sent a feral hog to protect him. The feral hog fought against the wolves. He killed a couple of them. Unfortunately, he was mortally wounded. When the boar was about to go down, a giant swarm, a herd of hogs charged through and drove off the wolves. The boar died, however. Rubeus took the boar's pelt and he placed it on every armor that he makes. He wears, he wears, but he always tells me I have to put the boar's hide over it. It protects him even in as it protected him in life, it still protects him in death. Yeah. How old is it? 86 years old. Yeah, it's seen better days, I'll be honest, but yeah, it's his religion, so I don't argue, I just get paid for it. Yeah, you might want to keep your distance. Be always strong, even for a dwarf. That's coming from another dwarf, I'll be honest. Anyway, it says it protects him in death as it did in life, and just as he protects the innocent, that's like the boar protected him. Its spirit lives on with him, something like that. Like I said, they're both insane, but they're good in a fight. He was also part of the Inquisition. He was an inquisitorial agent for a while, which I have to warn you, damaged his social skills considerably. Yeah. Anyway, the big fella, he's a Goliath. That's Gunnar Bonefish. Now, he comes from the mountains. Him and his tribe, they lived up in the mountain. Gunnar, he's big, even for a Goliath. He's a grandson of some great Goliath warrior. He's always talking about him, but no one really knows if he's telling the truth or not. Anyway, he's a barbarian, and I mean that both literally and figuratively. Yeah. He's very loud and obnoxious, and he's not the smartest in the room, but he sure is the bravest, or maybe the stupidest, and we just mistake it for bravery. Either or, he will hate hell. I know him to wrestle a troll barehanded and won. Yeah, and I asked him about it, and he told me he was bored, and it looked like it was fun. Yes, both insane. Yes, just like I said. Yeah, but they're great fun time around, and like I said, they can fight. They have never lost a member of the party they have never lost a youngster that's, hitched their wagon to them for a little while. So I recommend you go over there, you talk to them, you ask them if you can go on an adventure with them. Trust me, you'll make it back alive. You're in one piece? Well, that's another story. I'm just kidding. You'll make it back alive, I'm sure. they've never, like I said, they've never lost against you. Yeah. Just careful if Gunnar starts hugging you. Like I said, he beat a troll. He's those guys are very strong, and yeah, just watch it. And remember, Rubeus, he's not the friendliest character. Just remember those little quirks. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, I'm sure. How many first timers stick with them? How long? I think the record is 2 adventures. Yeah. Anyway, well, they're the best, I would say. They're the best choice for adventurers. Get your feet wet. You're gonna go over and talk to him? Oh, that's good news. Good news. I can rest easy tonight knowing that you're going to be safe on your first adventure. Well, go on. What do you mean? What do you mean what I mean? Go on. Don't waste your time talking to me. I gotta go get back to work. You have a party to join. Good luck, and I hope to be hearing many fine tales of your adventures.